Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another good video. I have a new sponsor, Titanium Works. I'll show you their information. I'll link it down below. Unfortunately, there is no discount code because he does a lot of custom work. Okay guys, so we got an oil cap, radiator cap, bolt kits for strut tower under the hood, bolt kit for the tile bypass valve, AC caps. This is under the hood. Here's a battery brace and a front plate with Subaru on it. Pretty nice. And radiator clamp. For those of you that don't know, I have a set of headlights that are pretty unique. Here is the Meteor Shower Show. Just got these done not long ago by Subaru Wrx Sti. You can use my code STI_418 and get 10% off your order. Dang Audi. Wow, this is beautiful. Gasket's already in there. Okay, so we got the radiator cap. Just goes on like that. Okay, now we're going to do the hood. Take the strut ones off now, 12mm. Take the new washer. We got that side on. We got this side on now. We're going to take this off now. This just comes loose like that. Rubber piece. Like so. Alright. Okay guys, now we got the headlight bolts to take out, and it's a 10mm. It's the little details that matter most. Okay guys, so we got the headlight and the bumper trim bolts in, titanium. It's looking good, it's coming along. Okay guys, I already took the battery brace off without filming it. It's just 2 screws right here. My battery caps are a little bit too thick for this brace, so I need to get a different battery. But this still will hold it in place. Yeah. Alright guys, next we have one of my favorites is the blow-off valve. Hey guys, what's going on? It's the next day and I wanted to show you guys what it looked like out in the kind of sunlight, cloudy day, but it looks really good. And there's my front plate. Got a Subaru on there. Titanium Works. My brackets, screws, radiator cap, oil cap, battery, tile, bypass valve, hardware, strut hardware, hood hardware. It'll look much better in the sunlight, but it still looks pretty good. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little video, and if you made it to the end, please give it a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it.